Yeah guys, hey, this is just a short little video of me getting started on my B-pillar. Cold snap kind of put a halt to it, plus I did a heater in the tank, so I had to fix it. But anyway, this is just a couple minutes of me getting started on what is the totally messed up. I don't know how they dented this thing and destroyed this B-pillar like they did. I don't know, but I'm taking my inspiration from Dan from DD Speed Shop. He's fixed worse, so I'm working on her. So here's a little bit of footage, and then till next time, this is James, Empty Pockets Garage. Subscribe if you would, like if you do. Give me some suggestions. I've never done one of these, and it's been 20 years since I've done any type of restoration on any vehicle, so the intimidation is high, but we'll work on it. As a half-assed garage says, it's only metal. So so anyways, till next time, later. I'm out of here.
I woke up this morning, tied my boots up, cause I knew it was gonna be a long day. Tied my truck up, grabbed my coffee, kissed my baby, got on my way. Cause I'm working till it's hurting, and that's the only way to make an honest day's pay. So I'm working even when it's hurting, and that's the only way to make an honest day's wage. Yeah, I'm up early with the birdies, ready to get dirty. This ain't a song for you if you asleep at 7:30. I rise like the sun on the bag of the pounds, at full throttle in the bottle like that homemade shine. I'm just trying to make a living, boss man tripping, my overtime strong, I don't pay him no attention. Money in the mason jar, country boy pitching. Old lady, 3 kids, take a lot to fill the kitchen. Fingernails dirty, my back stay hurting. You can bet I got a plan for every penny that I'm earning. I ain't asking for a raise, but I know the...
So ever since I got this car, I was wondering why this was like this. And I thought, man, it's kind of a weird place to have all this rust. But what I think they did is this thing used to be pulled with a tow bar. I think they jackknifed this thing and mangled this panel. And then they tried to pull it out, and then they just tore through the metal and then just let it set over the years and rot. Because this quarter panel is all messed up right here, and I'm going to cut this off and make my own panel from here down. I've got to make the bottom piece here when I put the rocker in. And then I seen the bottom of this one was rotted out, so I went ahead and got 2 of these just to make sure that when I'm done with the full toe board, full floor pan, new A-pillar reinforcements, this new B-pillar, this thing be pretty stout eventually. Anyways, just doing a quick little update. I've almost got this panel straight enough to where I can get it in there. I took some measurements from the other side, so I should, when I make that, and then when I get this tack welded in, I'm gonna rehang the door and check my door gap, then I'll do the rocker. And I'm gonna weld my reinforcements in this weekend. Anyways, I'll get back with you guys in a few days. Just give me, if you guys got suggestions, because I ain't never done one of these before, but I mean, it's just sheet metal. I mean, I see Dan on DD Speed Shop work with a lot worse, so that's my inspiration that I can do it. Talk to you guys later.
I woke up this morning, tied my boots up, cause I knew it was gonna be a long day. Fired my truck up, grabbed my coffee, kissed my baby, got on my way. Cause I'm working till it's hurting, and that's the only way to make an honest day's pay. So I'm working even when it's hurting, and that's the only way to make an honest day's wage. Yeah, I'm up early with the birdies, ready to get dirty. This ain't a song for you if you asleep at 7:30. I rise like the sun on the bag of the pounds, at full throttle in the bottle like that homemade shine. I'm just trying to make a living, boss man tripping, my overtime strong, I don't pay him no attention. Money in the mason jar, country boy pitching. Old lady, 3 kids, take a lot to fill the kitchen. Fingernails dirty, my back stay hurting. You can bet I got a plan for every penny that I'm earning. I ain't asking for a raise, but I know the boss hurt me. Nobody on this job site's working like I'm working. 30 below to 100 degrees, and you ain't pushing hard enough if your hands don't bleed. I'm the first to clock in and the last to leave, and I ain't never had a problem rolling up my sleeves. I woke up this morning, tied my boots up, cause I knew it was gonna be a long day.